We'll guide you through how to convert a PDF to a link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have the PDF I wish to do this with. So it's really convenient to be able to go and do this because you can just go and give somebody the link and they can go and access it. And if they want to, they can go and download it as well, and they can then go and have a copy of it on their computer. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything, as you may go and miss an important part. So to go and do this, we are actually going to go and use Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I've actually already got it on my computer, as you can see. But if you don't, what you can do is go and open up a web browser or open up Chrome. You can go and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader, as you can see. You can then scroll down and we can go and find it. You can see it's a free PDF viewer. When it goes and loads, you can then go and press download, and you can go and download and install it like any other application. We've got a full guide on that, but it's really simple. Then you can go and right click on the PDF, hover over open with, and you can go and press Adobe Acrobat and it should go and open up. You can see it here, and then to get the link, go to the top right and you'll find the option for share. Find the option create a link to share. So you can click that and you're now going to have the link, and it's going to automatically be copied to your clipboard. And then what you can do is you can go and paste it somewhere. So I'll just go and paste it in my URL bar at the top here, paste, and there it is. So you can put this in an email, then people can click on it and they'll get taken straight to it. To download it, they can press the three dots in the top right and go and press download this file.